In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero for accounts payable. By the end, you'll be comfortable creating and approving a bill, so it's ready to be paid on time and recorded correctly. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to Purchases. This is the central place for everything you owe suppliers. From there, choose Bills to open your list of bills and access all the tools you need to add a new one. Next, create your bill. You may see a new bill option in the menu and another new bill button on the bills page. Use either to open the bill form. They both take you to the same place, so just click through until you see the bill entry screen. On the bill form, begin by selecting your supplier. Pick the correct contact from your list, so Xero can apply any defaults you've set up, like currency, tax treatment, or account codes. This keeps your bookkeeping consistent and saves you time. If a supplier has multiple locations or terms, double check you've chosen the right one before moving on. Enter the due date for the bill. Use the calendar picker and match the date to the vendor's terms, such as due on receipt, net 15, or net 30. Getting this right helps your cash flow and ensures reminders and aging reports are accurate. Add a clear reference. This is usually the vendor's invoice number, but you can include a short note that helps you search later. Consistent referencing makes audits and queries much easier to handle. Now select the item you're being billed for. Choosing a predefined item will automatically fill in details like description, the expense account, process rate, and unit price. If your business tracks the inventory, items also help keep stock levels accurate. Review the pre-filled details to ensure they match what's on the invoice. Enter the quantity you're being charged. After you add the quantity, confirm the unit price, line total, and tax calculation are exactly as shown on the vendor's document. If the supplier included a discount or a special rate, make sure the totals reflect that. A quick check here prevents reconciliation headaches later. When everything looks correct, approve the bill. Approval locks in the bill, moves it into your payables, and makes it available in your payment runs. Take a final moment to scan supplier, dates, references, items, quantities, and totals. Once approved, the bill will appear in your bills to pay list, ready for scheduling or payment according to your normal process. That's it. You've created and approved a bill in Xero, keeping your accounts payable up to date and your reporting accurate.